Asinivusele Maswati akithi kuto tonke tinkhalo telivela kangwane insimbi yesiphohlongo namhla tingemashumi 20 enyangeni ya-April 2024. Selisondvo-ke Maswati akithi uhleli naye Velaphi wakamamba Sibongo, the Black Mamba. Nawutsandza-ke ungathi the original Black Mamba. Ungahamba-ke ulicetse, ngeke uhlale udibane nayo i-Black Mamba lenjengalelo, hlangana nayo nalohlala nayo njalo kulolu hlelo loluhamba embili eSwatini lapha kaSwaziland News, i-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini. Sesingenile-ke Maswati akithi sesikhathi sekuthi nivuselane bese niyabitana kuto tonke tinkhalo telive, nitsinze bogogo nabomkhulu nisho ukuthi seyikhona-ke i-Black Mamba, sowukhona umfana wabo. Umfana wabo lofuna ukuthi kulo hulumende lotako lomusha eSwatini lesimmemetelako bayawuhola-ke bogogo nabomkhulu imali enganga-2,000 emalangeni njalo ngenyanga. Lekuyimali lekufuna ukuthi sicale letikwayo ukuze kuthi bogogo nabomkhulu baphile kahle njengoba sibona nje Maswati akithi tintfo tidula kangaka. Yonke intfo nawuthi ungena la etitolo uyamangala ukuthi umuntu longasebenzi mbambambamba uphila siphi kulo mnotfo lomubi kangaka. Umnotfo lokukhanya ukuthi ujuba bhongwane, ujuba chochocho, kushiwo njalo ngeSiswati. It's a cutthroat economy lena lesikuyo. Sesiselihlelweni leMaswati, siyanivusela, siyethemba ukuthi niphilile. Kungiyo impelasondvo, impelasondvo kulabo labangemaKrestu, kuyimpelasondvo yekufa nekuvuka kwakhe Jesu Kristu, longumsindisi walabo labahambisana nenkolo yebuKrestu lokufaka ekhatsi nayo i-Black Mamba. Ya ngoba ngike ngasho emalangeni laphelile Maswati akithi ukuthi kuyawuthi-ke kungakhululeka lona live, ebese-ke i-Black Mamba seyivula lisondvo lapha ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi kufanele ukuthi ibe ngumbhishaphi. Ya i-Black Mamba kufanele ukuthi ishumayele, ishumayele livangeli, hhayi leli lema-speed point emasondweni, lela lasendulo. Ya lela kunale ngoma nje losinayihlabela lethi leli vangeli elakudala elasikhulula. Ya sibuyele kuleto tingoma leto la kukhanya khona ukuthi ngoba thina sikhule nakuhlatshelwa, kubonakala ukuthi kuyahlatshelwa enkonzweni, kuhlatshelelwa to edify the soul. Hhayi nyalo sekwahlatshelwa wonke nahlabela obheke bozuka ngentasi. Ya siyabona kumbimba ti-pit point lamasontweni kuyasho ukuthi hawu live vele selabuka yona indilinga. Kuyasijabulisa-ke noko lokho ngoba sihlale sisho la ka-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini ngokuthi thina sifuna eMaswati abe nemali. Maswati kufuneka ukuthi abe nemali, noma ngakubonakala ukuthi indilinga kwathiwa akayiyekele Maswati, sithi kwakudlalwa ngani Maswati, kufuna nake yona mbamba kakhulu indilinga. Ya akayinaki indilinga eMaswati, kufuneka yona la emakhaya. Ya kuze tintfo tohamba kahle la emakhaya kufuna ukuthi kube nemali. Nahulumende longenako Maswati akithi, hulumende lotawusebentela live, ufuna ukuthi kube nguhulumende lohambisa embili ifika njani imali emakikini eMaswati. eMaswati awakha njani umcebo nemnotfo loyawusita titukulwane netitukulwane netitukulwane letako. Nawuya kulamanye emave Maswati akithi, emave lamakhulu njengabo-Melika, bo-Germany, emave lamakhulu bo-United Kingdom, ukhanza kunemuntu lonemcebo losuka lemuva kubo-14th century. Ukhanze silomcebo solo liyahamba leli layini la kulomndeni, labantu labaphila namuhla baphila kuleli layini lalomcebo losuka le phasi ku-14th century. Kodwa nawuthi uyabuka la Afrika ngabona ukuthi hawu siyadlala la Afrika, umcebo nomuntu angaba nawo, abantu bathi thatha lento ayinabungozi. Ubone ukuthi awu nembala kufundisa kusesekuningi lekufuna sikwende la e-Afrika ngoba lento yabothatha lento ayinabungozi. Ukhanza seyilandzele lo mnikati wayo ukuthi kungafa yena kuphele kubuye letipoko lokuthiwa tiyasetshenziswa la nakwakhiwa lo mcebo lanze yonke le nto kubonakala ukuthi awu nembala bantu base-Afrika kusafuna ukuthi baphakamise masokisi besibuka nje la ilist yema-billionaires lekhishwe yi-Forbes la e-Afrika uyabona ukuthi awu la bantu they are less than 100 bantu laba ama-billionaires la kule continent i-continent lenjinge kangaka. So-ke bengisathi-ke Maswati kithi kufuna lokuthi siyibuke kabanti indzaba yemicebo indzaba yendilinga loku Good Friday nje siyeva tinshumayelo kuyashunyayelwa labanye bathi abathandazelwe bona kuze live litoba nekuthula uyamangala kuthi kudlalelwani ngala Maswati. Awucabange nje sesithandazela Mswati ukuthi angafi sithandazela ukuthi isheshe inkosi imbite loyo ngoba ubambelele live kakhulu wadlala ngalo nanyalo nje uphela kancane nalamtimbeni fana ngawe kuphela kakhulu into ukukhululeka lelive kulomlolo nemhobholo lombi kangaka lokuthiwa ngumswati wesithathu. Sinivusela ke Maswati totonke nikalo telive nasemagumbini lamane emhlaba ngeke ngikushiye lokho benginemacabane ke kule mpelasonto la ngitshela athi hey Black Mamba mani lamanye athi hayi uyabambelela udla idatha yethu lapho naso ubingelela ungasacethi Black Mamba bathi ke labanye hayi ubobingelela Black Mamba bogogo nabomkhulu bayathanza kuva naso ubingelela khona emakhaya. Ya ngiyanivusela Maswati akithi ngiyanivusela bogogo nabomkhulu ngiyasho ngithi nilanhlitiweni niproject nilanhlitweni yeBlack Mamba kuyawufuna ukuthi nasekusentshetwa lona live vele nibatfolela bo 2000 emalangeni ngenyanga lekusicalelo lekufanele sibogogo nabomkhulu basithole. Siyabonga eMaswati akithi namhla siselihlelweni sibuka sihloko lesimatima la kunenguquko lencane nje Maswati lengitawuthanda ukucolisa ngayo la njengoba nje nyalo ku-8 la letu le-Beijing la kunemhleli khona kukhanya kuthi ngi-2 ekuseni kodwa ke bezivumelene lokuthi vele utawuba khona namhla la lihlelweni mane-ke kukhanya ukuthi ngoba phela eShayina lendoda bogudi atisebenzi lilive leShayina ngumshawushile elibhodo lasehotela akulala kuyasentshetwa manje-ke umhleli kukhanya kwekuthi Maswati akithi asicolise kakhulu ukuthi angeke abe khona nathi la ehlelweni usemhlanganweni lomkhulu lebesithi kumbe umhleli utawukhona kuphuma kuwo ngesikhathi sekusangenele lo hlelo kodwa kuyakhanya ukuthi Solomon tibekiwe buka ngi-2 ekuseni nya lokutshengisa ukuthi i-work ethic yalabantu baseShayina isetulu kakhulu. Ngiyabona ukuthi nje naye umhleli utawulala ama-hour amabili nangithi ngibuka lesikhathi ngoba batawuphindze bavuke ekuseni bachubeke nawo umsebenzi welive uthi angimcolisele-ke Maswati akithi ngiyethemba ukuthi niyawulala tikwethu njengoba sihloko sethu besibheke-ke ukuthi sibe naye la umhleli njengoba alapha edulu kulase-Beijing eShayina sesite ukukhulumisana naye ukuthi kule ndzaba ikakhulu yetentuthuko lesike sayiva ayikhuluma naye la kuma-videos nakuma-interviews sibonile nje la kukhulunywa indzaba yokuthi bathi beShayina kuze lithuthuke live ulwe nepoverty kufuna ube nayo le ministry nalama-institutions ekulwa nale poverty kuze kubonakale ukuthi userious ulwe nayo ngendlela le-measurable ngendlela le-practical nendlela le-determined wekuthi live lifuna kubucetha kuphula. I learned a lot from that video because it confirms a lot of the literature we've read around i-People's Republic of China. Ngekuthi-ke akasekho umhlelo sesilishintshe kancane-ke sihloko sethu sithi perspectives on China. Perspectives on China sesikhuluma ngekuthi Eswatini is missing out on account of royal interests. Sesibuka ukuthi kule ntuthuko lekukhanya kwekuthi live leShayina likhonile kuba nalo njengelive lelikhona emhlabeni. Ngiyakhumbula Maswati akithi ukuthi live leShayina is the second largest economy in the world after the United States of America. Masibuke ama-statistics asikhombisa ukuthi i-GDP yelive lasemelika longikhuluma eze 2024 being 29 trillion US dollars eze 2024 iGDP yemelika. iGDP yeChina, People's Republic of China, 18.6 trillion US dollars. And ihleli la ikubonakala ukuthi vele bathi ngesingisi uya breathing down the neck. Ubonakala ukuthi iShayina imise kabi kakhulu imelika ngendzaba ye-development. Kukhanya ngazi ukuthi kutawuhamba iminyaka lengasimi ngaphi umnotho lomkhulu lokhona emhlabeni kutawube kungumnotho welive leShayina. Kunemibuto-ke lekhona lethi uma ngabe kunelive lelikhulu kangaka lelinemnotho lomkhulu kangaka lelibonakalako futhi ukuthi ligalelo lalo ikakhulu etindzabeni te-technology, etindzabeni te-energy, etindzabeni te-infrastructure lihamba embili emhlabeni. Kubangelwa yini lokho ukuthi thine live la kaNgwane lona libede ebudlelwane nelive laseChina. Ngifuna-ke kucacisa Maswati lokho ukuthi eMaswati esikhathini lesiningi ayengwe lana kukhulunywa kuthiwe live leShayina yiTaiwan. Maswati nonsense leyo. There is only one China in the world, and it's the People's Republic of China, and Taiwan is a part of China. Sifuna-ke kucala lapho lokho ukuthi kuyayivakala lana kukhulunywa la eSwatini kuthiwe hey bekunemashayina lafikile kusho labantu base-Taiwan. Labantu base-Taiwan bani baseShayina la. Kufana nje nekuthi Maswati akithi singathi eMaswati lalapha eMpumalanga lakhuluma Swati lokukhanya ukuthi ngeMaswati bese sithi akusiwe eMaswati lawo ngeMaswati sekwekuthi nje sesehlukaniswa ngulama colonial borders ladwetshwa belungu lapha kwase kujubeke eMaswati lamanengi. Empeleni eMaswati langa la eMpumalanga maningi kakhulu kuneMaswati langekhathi even laseSwatini ngigcine kubekiswa ukuthi it's about 3 million Swazis outside Swaziland than those who are inside Swaziland. But again, that's not the point. The point is sifuna kubuka ukuthi ikakhulu etindzabeni tentuthuko Maswati yini live la kaNgwane lelingakwethekela ngoba thina sikliye njengebaholi labatawungena kulo mbuso lomusha lotako walelive kwekuthi lelive sitalisuluta lelive liyekele kubuka sihlenge noma-ke iprovince yalelinye live iTaiwan. Sitalisuluta lelive libuke iChina. And I want to say this in English so that it's very clear even to those who are following geopolitics, that it is our political intentions and objectives to have a formal bilateral relationships with the People's Republic of China. As Swaziland has got a sovereign right to have a formal diplomatic bilateral relationship with the People's Republic of China. That is where we're headed, Maswati. Liya lapho lelive njengoba onke mave emhlaba nawo anebudlelwane lamanengi awo imajority emave emhlabeni ngaphandle kwalokwe kwetikeshi kwemave lokhanza mhlambe live lelinabo 300,000 webantu lokwetikeshi lokuhambe kwakhiwa imelika lo konke la emhlabeni kuthiwa ngemave lawo ngiko-ke lokwemave lokukhanza ukuthi mhlawumbe kunebudlelwane neTaiwan lokufaka-ke ekhathi nale lakithi live. But thine lesifuna alushintsho kulelive sikliye lokuthi kune-United Nations Resolution 2758 yanga 1971 le recognize that the one China principle, there is only one China in the world, and Taiwan is a part of it. So that's the position that we have taken on this issue, and that's the position that we will continue to agitate for. Singemaswati futhi siyabona lokuthi live la kaNgwane, our people are missing out on massive potential development and industrialization opportunities that they can benefit if we can shift our strategic bilateral relationships from Taiwan to China. So we want to say that, Maswati, Kube very clear, and we're unapologetic about this, because there are people who think that because we have relations with the USA, then we can't have relations with China. No, we can have relations with the USA and also have relations with China. It is our right to do that. No country in the world is going to determine what our foreign policy must look like. So it is us as a Maswati who must decide which global powers we must align with, and we are very clear that we must align ourselves with all global powers, including the United States, including China, including joining the BRICS. This is where we are going as a country. So we're not going to have a binary policy, an either or policy when it comes to this question. We are not going to be forced into a situation that it's either the US or China. No, we can have a relationship with both. And that relationship will be premised on our interests, our sovereign interests as a country. And we have interests that we want the people of China to help us with. We want to leverage Chinese advanced technological expertise in infrastructure development, in mega projects, in mining, in expertise, in know-how. We want to leverage the latest digital technologies that China is cultivating. We want to leverage the massive manufacturing capacity that China has. We want that know-how for our own country. And there is no country in the world that's going to limit the extent to which we can do that. So I just want to be clear about that. The reason I've switched to English is so that our friends in America can understand this, our friends in Beijing can understand this, that the future Swaziland that we're headed to is a future that will be premised on the interests of Emaswat. And the interest of Emaswat is to work with all countries in the world in advancing sustainable development for our people. And that's the philosophy that we are having. And we will strengthen, we'll continue to strengthen our relationship with the Chinese Communist Party and the People's Republic of China. We will continue to strengthen those relationships. No one is going to stop us from doing that. We're not going to get into this convoluted trap of either or in the geopolitical space, where we are going to be made to think in tunnel vision or parochial terms. We're not going to do that. So Sitzike Maswati, that's what we want to say as an introduction to the conversation yanamuhla. Kodwa nje tintu tinto ngifuna njengenhlala yento kungena kuto singaqali nenkulumo kujula nayo la ehlelweni i-Visionary Perspectives eSwatini. Khumbule ke Maswati nisangena khona ehlelweni ngokuthi nibe sesenithinza lona inobho lekushelelisa nekuhambisa lenkulumo yanamuhla kuze ifike eMaswatini sabalale eMaswati lonke lelive ade uyiva ukuthi abethini Black Mamba namuhla. Ngicela ke ukuthi Maswati akithi ngiphindze ngishona kwekuthi leti nkulumo le besinato evikini leliphelile nakulela lelindvulela leliphelile ngendzaba yempi evela the military and the security cluster kwekuthi kude lesikushintsha. So lo umlayeto usho njalo kwekuthi eMaswati lafuna inkululeko akaya kungenele impi yelive. Sisimile nje lapho asijiki lo utawuqala nje lo msebenzi ukuthi ku-recruitwe emasoja i-youth siyethemba iyagijima nje nyalo lonke lelive ema-comrades ayajima alungela kungena empini ngoba sifuna kuthi lapha empini niyewumelela live. Sishito ukuthi sifuna letibhamu tembi letibheke laMaswatini tibheke kulesitha seMaswati. Engeke-ke tibheke kulesitha seMaswati naningekho lambini. Siyababona-ke bazubazuba iyabashisa le ndzaba bayasitshela ukuthi hawu bangena abantu lambini khohlwani ngabo sebayawubata inkundla. Asikuva ngani lokho. Thina lesikushoko sithi as much as possible ama-comrades should occupy the army space. The army space will never boycott that space. It's a space we must occupy fully as a tactical move. You can do all the vetting you want, but sithi akangene ama-comrades. Ngetulu kwaloko sithi emasotsha lasempini shito nasevikini leliphelile emasotsha lasempini already la kulempi yamswati sithi sinani kulokuhlupheka lenikuko kwekubuthekiswa ngumswati nabe senifuna kungenela kushintsha live sikhona sithinzeni inombolo tethu futhi khona bo Facebook bethu bakhona sithinzeni sitewusebenta nani guqula nalive ngithi evikini leliphelile kunelithumba lekufuna silichamise singemaswati siseti kwalowo msebenzi loyo ke maswati asijiki futhi asibiyele emuva angeke sichashadwe ngumndeni thina kube nje nemndeni lotawujangaza usichaphade la eveni labogogomkhulu ngeke kwenteke leyo nto leyo ngafunga amacobolwane so ke kufuna nje kube clear maswati ukuthi indlela leya embili indlela leya inkululekweni lonke liswada lilungele lokho ukuthi nangabe kufuna kuliwe kulwele lwelive asivele sisukume sente njalo maswada kithi site lelinye live sinalinye live isikhathi sifikile sesilelive likhululeke it is time kude kujika lokutawuba khona maswada kithi siyembili impela ufuna ukuthi sikhululele live bantu babethu bangakhuli kulomhlolo lo lesentwa bomakhosetive wona asine ukhashadwa nje bantu ngishito ke nasevikile liphelele si nemuthi asinenzaba nawo lelive lelifuna libiyele maswadini noma uyafutha noma ufuthi ubita bolamlambo uyagada ligama limile live libiyele maswadini period. This is what we are saying maswada kithi so bengifuna kwendlula lapho ke kutoba clear nalongakangiva kuthini angivisisi noma usephathini noma ukho ephathini ithi Black Mamba emasotsheni ngila kufanele ukuthi kuyiwe khona it's a space that we must occupy lesi semasotsha lesi semilitary ngetulu kwaloko we must strengthen the people's military outside of the existing one and that is an ongoing process sifuna ke kuphinde siphawule emaswati kunayindzaba ya-Alpheus Ncumane lesibonako ukuthi uniketwa i-preferential treatment la lo muntu accused of rape is an alleged rapist lemikiswe enkantolo ngemoto yona iniketwa i-preferential treatment ijutshelwe licala ingekho bese iniketwa isikhathi sethide ngakusasa ihanjiswa ngesideni labanye abantu bangena emajibhini ngiyo lento lesingayifuni ukuthi live libe nemithetho lonemehlo asiyifuni leyo nto leyo maswati justice must not only be seen to be done but must also be done a justice delayed is justice denied siyabona la bobacede bokhomanda nalamanye ama-political prisoners are treated like the worst forms of criminals bese kuthi umuntu longumdlwenguli sukela abantwana labana bo-17 neminyaka laba underage ulala nabo ngenzaba yokuthi batali babo bamkweleta sekumnika lithikithi lokho yena ukuthi alale nebantwana bese ke lo hulumende wetinkundla umtreata ngema-kids gloves yena umtreata ngema-kids gloves semukele le nonsense leyo la kulelive we must not have a selective justice system washo Mandla Mkhwanazi may his soul rest in peace ukuthi justice is for sale in this country and those are the things that we must speak to and make sure ukuthi nalikhululwa leli we have a lot of work to start doing to correct all these things that are going wrong in our country kwesibili ke ngathi ke kwesithathu maswati ngifuna kudlula kuko kubonga ukuthi inhlangano lenkulu eveni People's United Democratic Movement ipudem lesonke singiyo umuntu wonke lofuna lishintsho kulelive uyiphudem sifuna ke kuyihalalisela inhlangano ukuthi isigungu sayo lesiphakeme sikhona ekuhlala kulembela sonto le kusukela lapha ngalesine nakuqala kuhlala i-CWC kwendlulele kulesihlanu la kuhlale khona i-National Executive Committee kwendlula lapho kwayohlala sigungu lesengetiwe i-Extended National Executive Committee kuphindze ke kube namuhla la bese kuya khona sona sigungu lesiphakeme i-National Executive Committee kusiphindze ibe ne-closed session ibe nema-resolutions ayo ibese seyawuvala lo msebenzi bowenziwa kuleli viki sithi-ke asibonge Maswati kuloko siyati ukuthi labakhulumela inhlangano batawuphuma bayibongele inhlangano bakhiphe netincumo letikhulunyisiwe lesingeke singene kuto la ehlelweni Visionary Perspectives eSwatini ngoba asisilo uhlelo lwephudem, kodwa nje sifuna ukuhalalisela bona buholi kwekuthi bawubambe lo msebenzi lo kube ngumsebenzi lo niketa lithemba kwekuthi lelive vele litawukhululeka ngendlela lekufanele silikhululeke ngayo. Siyajabula-ke nekuthi baholi babonakala babambene kuleso sinqumo kwekuthi vele akusentshetwe live. Sisho njalo-ke ukuthi alisentshetwe live Maswati libuye kubanikati balo, banikati balelive ngeMaswati. Asesibuye-ke Maswati akithi singene kule nkulumo yanamuhla la sibuka kakhulu khona indzaba yelive laseShayina njengoba Maswati bese ngishito ukuthi kumcoka ngani lokuthi siyibukete lendzaba yeShayina. Sifuna kuyibuka kakhulu ngendlela yokuthi Maswati thine what's in it for us, yini thine silive lesitakuzuza ngekuthi sibe nebuhlobo nebudlelwane nelive laseChina, i-mainland China. Sicithe budlelwane neTaiwan ngoba iTaiwan Maswati akithi sihlale sisho la live lelisichapata kakhulu, singathi nje nasesi analyze kahle singasho ngalokugcwele ukuthi iTaiwan live lelisimene sako. Ngeke ngabekisa lapha itolo ukuthi Taiwan is one of the leading countries in the world when it comes to the ecosystem semiconductors and the production of chips, technological chips. Maswati akithi hayi lama chips ladliwako. But lama industries lawo, they are high-end technologically advanced manufacturing industries. Lafake khathi high-end technological know-how and skills to be able to run such a massive enterprise. But kude ngisho linye eliswati le producer chips eSwatini. And we must ask questions why. Why is it that Taiwan has a massive chip technology industry, but it has not transferred any of those skills in any sense or any way to and shared those skills with Swazis so that we can also benefit? Kube sikhuluma nje, there is a thriving manufacturing industry of high-end chips that is now located in Swaziland. It's not there. So, and that's because labantu labahola lelive kude lokusebenzisa ingqondo kwekucabangela lelive kwekuthi budlelwane bethu nalamanye amave akufuneki kube budlelwane bekukhangeta. La sibona iTaiwan isikhangeta irice, sinika ukhanza abantu bakhuluma ngiphathele licembe labhatata laseTaiwan. Asifuni leyo nto leyo thina. Sifakelwe bogesi bese siyabhadaliswa imali letsetulu ngaloko bese kuthiwa iTaiwan isitile yasifakela gesi, kodwa lo gesi ubhadalwa ngithi. Lo sikhuluma njenyalo lelive lithi capacity yekuproducer gas lonele so many years, 57 years after independence. So lasikhona ukuphehla gas lonele. 90% wa gas lesinayo kulelive siyam-import. Ngiko lo gas usidulela nyalo. Bogogo nabomkhulu abakhona ukulayida emakhaya, gas udulile lapha eTulu. Ngekuthi gas asimphehli la vele. Kodwa sine-Taiwan lesahlala nayo kusukela nga-1968. Nasithola mazibuse solo sihlala sihamba ne-Taiwan kude lesisita ngalo. Ngalanga nhlanye there is China, a mega country that has massive potential for developing energy self-reliance. Siyite budlelwane nayo. Bulima buno. Just because iTaiwan iniketa Mswati imali sekufuna lelive lonke lisafarishe le logo. We don't want that, Maswati. That is why sithi the question of the sovereignty of our people goes hand in hand with the question of the discharge of the social contract and the obligations of state in terms of delivering public services to the people. And we must take rational decisions about what choices we make in the global sphere that will advance our development imperatives as a country. And one of those choices, la very clear to some of us, kwekuthi kude sidingo Maswati ukuthi singabe sisebenta nelive lelina 20 something a million webantu siyekele kusebenta nanaliya live lelina over 1.4 billion webantu. Kudlalwa ngathi nasingabuka nje even indzaba ye-education, job opportunities, scholarships and all that, we can get far more from China than we can get from Taiwan. So we need to put our country's interests first, not the interests of the royal family eMswati and his children first. Ngiko nangabe Maswati sitawuqhubeka ngalokucabanga lokubulili lokucabanga bekuhambisa umndeni embili, sitawuqhubeka sibabukele basike emakhekhe benda bumenge thine sibe sihlupheka le emakhaya la sithamuka khona. We have to have voices of reason that continue to speak truth to power in order to make sure that we shift the material conditions of our people. So ke ngifuna ukuthi Maswati ngicale lapho lenzaba lokuthi vele intention yethu Maswati akube kungukuthi siyaphuma kulesihlenge sase-Taiwan, siqonza ngqo nesikhwama tethu eChina, sifuna ukuthi sibe nebudlelwane neChina, sifuna ukuthi sihlale phasi neShayina, sibuke ukuthi ngitiphi tintfo kulesigaba sentfutfuko yelive la ingasibambisa khona, nala kubolekwa khona timali kuhlalwe phasi kubuke ukuthi nasiboleka khona mhlawumbe singaboleka ngendlela lencane, mhlawumbe kunasiboleka kubo World Bank nabo IMF, sifuna lokho kuze litewuthuthuka lelive, ngoba siyathi lokho ukuthi there is no free lunch. Nanayo iChina nayisiniketa timali itawusiniketa emaloni lekuyawufuna siwabhadale Maswati, kodwa siyawube sati ukuthi siwabhadala nje, asibhadaleli mgodi kawugcwali, sibhadalela tintfo lenitawube nitiphethe ngesandla Maswati esigabeni setentfutfuko lenitibonako visibly ngetandla tenu. Mawuhamba la Maswati kulamanye emave khona la Southern Africa region, ubuka imisebenti leyendiwe yiShayina nabohulumende balamave boMozambique, boZambia, boMalawi, boZimbabwe, empeleni eZimbabwe ngisho iphalamende yakhona ifinanswe ngetimali leqhamuka eShayina. Yinhle ngalenye indlela thina sibhizi siyadlala la, siyasala sishiwa ngemave lamanye ngenxa nje kokuthi Mswati udla lapha eTaiwan. So lonke lelive funa libutsekiselwe lokho ukuthi Mswati udla lapha eTaiwan. No. That Maswati akithi is the epitome of stupidity if we're to talk about geopolitical relations in the world. We need to get our ducks in a row, and we need to choose correctly, and we need to choose the People's Republic of China as a reliable partner in our development journey, singeMaswati, and even in cultural exchanges and other things. Siyati-ke Maswati lokho ukuthi kune-narrative yokuthi hawu kuthiwe iChina ayisiyo idemocracy, siyelani kuyo kwabanjani. Ngiliphi lelive lona leli democracy kangako ukuthi kufanele siyoguqa embi kwalo, ngoba iMelika wonke umhlaba utshela yona athi yekelani kuniketa i-Israel tikhali icedza abantu lapha ePalestine. iMelika iyodvana iphikisa wonke lo mhlaba. Ikuphi idemocracy lapho? Kufa abantu nyalo over 50,000 people have been killed lapha ePalestine, babulawa yi-Israel. Ufuna sitolerate lokho just because sesaba iMelika sithothobele sesaba lokho? No, Maswati. No, we will stand on principle just like South Africa has done. Nathi we will stand there. We'll call America to order on this question, and we'll continue to have relationships with everyone who is a friend to us as a Maswati, not on the basis of what we can give them, but on the basis of mutual respect and cooperation as sovereign states. This is our message, Maswati. So asengicale ke ngekuthi nje ngikhulumise kafishane China's journey miraculous journey to ending poverty. Now 2021 maswata kithi and by 2022 China had reduced extreme levels of poverty to zero. Kude nje China lento kuthiwa extreme poverty lo ngikhuluma nyana. And this is remarkable because in 1980 nawuthatha nje ngibuyele emuva maybe 40 or so years, 1980s, 45 years ago. Bengisengatalwa ke mina ngibaswati ngibangatalwa nga-1981. But ma-statistics la asikhomba ukuthi nga-1980 i-poverty population yase-China bengi-770 million webantu. I-poverty population yase-Melika ngaleso sikhathi 1980 bekungu-29.3 million. But by 2022 extreme poverty population yase-China ngi-0. Extreme poverty population yase-Melika ngi-37.9 million. So you can see ukuthi in America there is democracy, there is freedom, there is everything which we agree with. Some of us are Democrats. You know, we agree with the principles of democracy. We've always stood for them. We're fighting for them. We want them in our country. But the democracy in America is not working for Americans. Sadly, yet it should, because America is afraid of applying socialist principles in its economy. So labanjingile Melika banjinga kakhulu. That is why nyalo nibona lama billionaires Elon Musk bo Jeff Bezos and many others laba surrounded Donald Trump, bo Mark Zuckerberg and the like. Lo njinga ke Melika unjinga kakhulu. Lo phuya kakhulu. Ngiko between 1980 kuze kube nyalo bona isikhundleni sesibayinciphisa poverty yabe yaqhubeka iyalembili from 29.3 million in 1980 to 37.9 million. Now explain to me ukuthi live lelinjenge China lelinema lessons for us thina ke silive lelincane sihlale ngusho lokusina 1.2 million webantu kusotha indzabe poverty in Swaziland. We can do it in the next 5 years. The first national development plan excuse me, lesitawuyenda under a free Swaziland can halve poverty or even eradicate poverty in our country. So uyabona lokho ukuthi ngiliphi live leli serious. Live lelithethe 770 million webantu le bathi mbuya baclassifywa ngethi imbuya labantu lonke leli live leshayini. This is over half the population of China that was poor. But now those people are not poor. Los khuluma nyalo as at 2022, extreme poverty percentage in China is 0%. Extreme poverty percentage in America is 11.5%. And ngiyabhekisa njengalamave lawa nawe nawuthanza, you can do your own research. Ungene lapha ubuke China compared to Europe, China compared to South America, China compared to Africa, and all these other places, right? So lengulanze la maswati ngiloko nguthi we are losing out silive ngenxa yokuthi we have made the wrong strategic policy decisions about our global alliances. We need to get out Maswati of Lenvo yase Taiwan and focus on building a robust relationship with China. China, the People's Republic of China, is the future of the world. Whether you like this or you don't. It's the second biggest economy in the world. No one in their sensible mind would ignore that kind of economy. So it is the biggest trading partner now of the African continent. China has become the biggest trading partner for Africa. And it is injecting billions in development assistance to African countries. losho ukuthi iShayina nasingayicathanisa neTaiwan inikete emave Afrika imali lephinzaphinzwe kanengi maswata kithi in terms of i-development yemave ase-Afrika. Umbuto ke uthi sihleleni phothini sishiye kanjani kule ntuthuko lecubekako lengaka lelethwa live laseShayina. So onke lamave lakhona la on the African continent maswata kithi anebudlelwane nelive laseShayina. Onke lamave lakhona la 54 la eAfrika anebudlelwane nelive leShayina. Ngithi kuphela nje lemvu lemnyama emkhathini wetimvu letimhlophe kwende njani yini imbambamba? Why are we going against the accepted policy position of the African continent? Because if we are saying and arguing ukuthi why a pan-African state, why are we going against the collective? Just because we want to concentrate on labozuka lesiniketwa yiTaiwan khona ibe singathola imali emaphepha. Ngibani lesilima lefanele sihlale kuleyo ndvo leyo ukuthi umuntu angakuniketa bozuka labangafiki ngisho ku-1000 rand uyekele umuntu ongakuniketa emaphepha langafika kuma-millions, right? So China maswata kithi is the way to go. This is what I want to say today, is the way to go. And I want to say it unapologetically. Asesabi muntu ke thina la visionary perspectives eSwatini. We don't fear anyone in the world, in terms of what our opinions are, and we will ventilate and we will say those opinions. So sifuna ke ukuthi our philosophical approach to China must be, how do we leverage on China's massive know-how capabilities to transfer that so that it becomes an engine and a driver to our own industrialization aspirations as a country, especially because we are a small country. Sikwenda njani maswati kwekuthi sibambisane nelive leShayina kwekuthi lisisite nathi sifunze kulo ukuthi hey, nina nithethe bantu labangu-770 million nabakhiphe ekuhluphekeni, nabakhiphe njeni, nabafake empilweni lephilako, nikwende njani lo? Sifuna lokho. Lama-conversations lawo sihlale phasi neShayina isitshele so lapha ke sase sifika sentanje, lapha sase sifika sentanje. Asisho maswati akithi ukuthi iShayina mhlawumbe ing-alpha and omega we-development practice emhlabeni. This is not what we are saying. We are just saying that China offers a much more bigger pool. Uke washo President Xi Jinping ukuthi the Chinese economy is an ocean. It is not a pond. Abesho ukuthi umnotho welive laseShayina ungangelwandle, angeke ufananise nelidamu noma ke thiwa yini koja iphondi ngesintu ichapoti. Hayi ngathi akulungi kahle, nintangibhale lapha kuma-comments maswati, but nje ipond sisho lichapoti noma into lidamanyana nje lelincane. Bekabekisa ke nda leyo imagery leyo uthi kumbuto sisalelani thina singemaswati from benefiting from this. We must benefit tactically and balance and kuba ne-relationship maswati neShayina akusho ukuthi sesitawubate thina we will cut and paste what China is. No, we're a sovereign state. So we as a Maswati must decide what kind of state institutions we want to put in place. And some of us argue ukuthi the Swaziland we're going to is definitely not going to be a dictatorial country. No, it's going to be a plural democratic country based on the normative democratic principles, but leveraging on the market, on the economic philosophy of other actors in the global sphere, including China, that will help us to fast track our sustainable and economic development objectives as a country, right? So nako nje thina lesikusho wekuthi nabu utawubuka budlelwane belive nalamanye emave asubuka kwekuthi yini lengene ekhikhini lakho wena Velaphi Mamba nangabe umholi walelive. Buka ukuthi yini lengene esilulwini selive. What is it that is of material benefit to the entire country that can help transform the country in positive ways? So sifuna ke ukuthi thina emaswati akithi i-opportunity ethi le live benefit kakhulu ilapha eveni lase-China as compared to the country that is called, the province that is called Taiwan. So when we look at the economic philosophy of China, what is the economic philosophy of China that we can learn from? China follows a socialist market economy. A socialist market economy. And as you know, Maswati, China is a communist state. That's really based on the principles of communism and the aspiration for a classless society. Society is not only egalitarian, but is also a society letawubanga ukuthi wonke muntu akhone kubenefita from not just the resources of state, but also from everything that the state can provide to its citizens. So that socialist thinking is then reflected in the blended approach to the economy as a China, which is called a socialist market economy, which is a hybrid model that combines role yahulumende. Hulumende fanele ukuthi adlale a central role, especially in meticulously planning the economy. Ngoba umnotho Maswati ngihlale ngisho la ka visionary perspectives eSwatini ngokuthi we must do things in a data driven way. That is why you train actuaries, you train economists. Bantu labatawuhlala phasi bakubalele ngokuthi ngoba una 1.2 million webantu of that 1.2 million webantu maybe 700,000 wabo badzinga kuya esikolweni. Udzinga malini ukuthi bonke labantu labangu-700,000 bafunze baqedze kahle kusukela ka grade 0 baze bayophuma ku first degree ngiyabekisa noma baze bayophuma emakhonweni ekuphilisa. Those things can be calculated. And then once you calculate them, you start planning on how you address them incrementally over time. So nasibona i-Taiwan isebenzisa kakhulu nakulokuthiwa ngema-5-year plans. Ukuthi kulo mnyaka lo kuya kulo mnyaka lo, these are the things that we're going to prioritize sitende and vele batende. Nangabe khona labangakwendi batawuqoshwa labangakwendi umsebenzi noma nangabe bekungetulu kwemandla abo kutawuhlalwa phasi kuthi akubendeki kulo 5 years lo mhlamba sikuphushele lo 5 years lo da. These are the practical ways in which you can be able to run a country and an economy that is inclusive, that can pull people out of poverty, right? Secondly, after central planning, because kunema sectors ale economy lofuna ukuthi uhulumende yena awaplan. eChina sikhuluma ngema sectors lafaka ekhathi finance, lafaka ekhathi defense, lafaka ekhathi energy, lafaka ekhathi social policy and other things. Letinto leti timanejwa nguhulumende, awutishiyeli ibhizinisi ukuthi hayi kutatendakalela. That is why now uthi kutatendakalela utawukhanza sekunema-pharmacy agcwele lonke lelive ngoba tibhedlela tahulumende atisebenzi. Utawukhanza kunema-private school lonke lelive ngoba ema-public schools afile. That is what we don't want, and that is what is happening in our own country. Akwendeki le nto leyo eShayina. eShayina, it's the public enterprises, the public institutions that provide quality public goods and services, because the state is deliberately planning the economy and deliberately supporting these institutions to discharge their normative functions and delivery to the people. So China nasichubeka siyibuka inema market oriented reforms. Siyakhumbula lapha kukhulunywa Mao Zedong akhuluma famously about akhuluma famously about capitalism with Chinese characteristics. even though capitalism may be a problem, but it can be leveraged in ways that advance a socialist agenda that will deliver. And it has been proven ukuthi they've been correct, because lama reforms laba introduce in attracting global capital, in learning and leveraging from it, has produced the remarkable results that I've spoken about, especially in relation to poverty alleviation lesiyibonile. Kwesithathu, a heavy state intervention la sibona khona state-owned enterprises, lokhu lokuthiwa ngema-SOEs, nasingaye even lakithi ngile tinkampani letifana nabo EPTC, thina lekithi leto tinkampani leto nabo Royal Science and Technology Park, naletinye tinkampani longathi leti tinkampani tahulumende tiyakolapsa thina lekhaya letinkampani. Kodwa eShayina leti tinkampani leto ngitona tifukula lo mnotho, ngitona takhe ma-profits, lama-profits labesasetshenziswa kusupporta the further industrial expansion of the country through a robust industrial policy. Konke letinto letatendeki thina kithi. So and it's because sine model yekudevelopa lelive lesangene lengakatshangwa le model yaSimohlwane kude live maswati ukhanza letilima letabutheka lapha tithi ngigabe insimbi mina ngiSimohlwane. Insimbi yani live liva kude live longaliranisha ngaSimohlwane. Live will ranisha with a sensible approach, a pragmatic approach to economic planning, and a very frugal implementation of a national development plan that is very robust, that is people-centric, that is progressive in its character. That's how you build a country. Thina sicabanga ukuthi sitawakha live ngaSimohlwane. Lengisasimohlwana lansanyeni ucabanga ukuthi is the best thing after sliced bread. Sicabanga ukuthi ngeke ngakhuluma la ukuthi kunana indaba cultural nationalism. The best thing lesingayenda nje thina singemaswati kuvunula. Sitshengise abantu ukuthi maye thina vele siyakwazi ukugcoka imvunulo yethu yinhle bo. Sengiloko nje sitawudla lokho. Sitawudla ukuthi sivunula kahle. Emaswati adinga gas, emaswati adinga gas loshipile, emaswati adinga emanti, emaswati adinga emanti lashipile, emaswati adinga kufunza, adinga tikola letite school fees. Emaswati adinga tibhedlela letite letingabachaji nabaya kulo. Ngethi umthelo wabo uyabasebentela tibhedlela tiyaphila. Emaswati adinga uhulumende lotabalekelela ukuze balime kudla lemuve emakhaya, balime tinkomo, balime amabhontshisi, balime timbuti, i-technology ba-export babe nemali. Emaswati funeka ukuthi abe nemali. Thina siyide imali kuleli vele. President Xi Jinping talks about common prosperity. Common prosperity na umfunza umlandzela Xi Jinping nale philosophy le usho ukuthi we must reduce inequality by all means. Prosperity must be shared, which is a socialist inclination. And akufuneki sibe apologetic maswati ukuthi ngoba emavele njengabomelika, just by saying socialism America frowns on you. What's wrong with socialism? There is nothing wrong with socialism. If anything, socialism helps uplift people out of poverty. And that's what we want. So we cannot allow a situation where countries that are progressive are painted in a black brush, and we must be fools not to understand what's happening in the global geopolitical space. So we are saying we have lessons to learn from China's economic philosophy. Like Zengshito, centrally planned economy, reforms, market-oriented, state-owned enterprises that are robust, and a very inclusive social policy agenda based on a philosophy of common prosperity. These are things that we can do practically, right? China now ibuka sengikhulumile ngama 5-year plans, but China also does a dual circulation strategy. i-dual circulation nawufunza ngayo kusho ukuthi you boost domestic demand. Kuthi le live likhone kutrade lodvana lakhe umnotho kwalona. China is the global workshop of the world. It's the factory of the world. Everyone is working in China. Kuthi nje abantu labavuka baphekugaba simohlwana bahlala elangeni bathi bona baphothe emahiya bayaphotha. Impilo yakho ngiloko nje uhlala lapha kusuhleli lapha eduhongweni uhoncile. Le live lifile kunebantu abahonqako bathi bahlele enkosini bagana inkosi. Kufuna thina silandzele leyo nto leyo sithi ngemasiko hawu bayethe naphakathi silandzele lokho. No, Maswati. It's time to wake up in this country. So when you have a dual circulation strategy, you have domestic demand for your products and for your goods and for your know-how and for manufacturing and production expertise, while at the same time you are maintaining a global trade value chains. You can supply all over the world, which is what China has done. Masibuka nyalo la ngengasho ngalenye ilanga ngathi imoto la mgwaqweni la South Africa. Bo Volvo bayavala, bo BMW banciphisa emagarage, bo Mercedes-Benz banciphisa emagarage because timoto lesethi la mgwaqweni timoto tase China. High-end, beautiful cars with the best technology now ungena la ngekhathi emotweni, they are produced in China. Thina lapha eSwatini kude ngisho yinye imoto ngisho kufasa libhawodi lenjini ukuthi sifasa injini lensha sinayo siyiproducile la made in Swaziland le engine le dolo lo ku kodwa sithi sinemngani lo Taiwan. So this is a problem, Maswati. Nasibuka iChina sifunza kuyo sikhanda ukuthi made in China is a mantra. These things are made in China and manufactured in China and then exported to the rest of the world. China now has achieved technological sufficiency and high-end manufacturing. Losho ukuthi China akasa produce nje ukuthi producer na ipen. Say producer ipen le khona kutibhalele uvela uyitshela ukuthi bhala pen. Ngiyabekisa Maswati ngalo. So the country is developed because there is a deliberate, intended in a focus on making sure ukuthi le live liyathuthuka. Thina eSwatini, that focus is not there. There is a deliberate, intended focus of actually misusing public funds. eSwatini. Nyalo kuthiwa kutawa kwema hotela lamanye. Labanye bo global engathi ke labanye bo Royal Villas. Etiwanale hotela lelisolo lingapheli lokungodzi lengwagwala lokuthiwa iICC Fish tawusukelwa lomunye futhi umkhambathi wemahotela hana nalihlolelekile lelive. Hana nalihlolelekile lelive. Uyabona ukuthi lelive leli laba cursed leli laba nenhlanhla lembi yekholwa lembi. So ngiyo ke lento Maswati nasithi sisebenza indzaba ye revolution lefuna sifocus nayo ngo lobulima lobulapha eTulu lokuphethe lelive. Lefuna ukuthi sibususe sifake abantu eMaswati inkumbe eMaswati lafundzile la. La ngakhona ukuthi alishintshe lelive leli. I was pleasantly surprised nje the other day in a session lapha ngilalela youth from youth chamber of commerce. And I was like, I'm listening to these young minds. They are talking about a lot of things and how Swaziland can respond to the tariff wars, how we can use data to track in real time, how to move what commodities to which countries and make sure we can circumvent these tariff impacts, creating the digital capabilities to use AI in entrepreneurial ways. These young people from the Youth Chamber of Commerce were explaining these things. And I was like, wow. But you don't see, Guti, how does the country leverage such innovation in ways that are taking the country forward? Kuyadlalwa nje phekubhuqwa lidzaka vunulwe emajobo, sitshelwe ngemidada nabosimohlwana, uyabona nje imhlolo yethu phela na. Lamanye amave ayathuthuka thina sibuyele emuva. So the revolution that we are driving, Maswati, is about that. So now let's look at some of the key, and I've just selected a few, some of the mega, development projects that China is doing in the world. In fact, in terms of Cherisha, an article, I just read an article an hour ago from CNN that says China right now, by June 2025, China will be finalizing the tallest bridge in the world. The tallest bridge in the world. Leli bloho na ulibuka lakhiwe enzaweni lenetindvonga letinkulu kuthiwa i-canyon. Lakhiwe lakhathi kule canyon leli liqotha lapha eTulu. Liqale kwakhiwa leli bloho nga-2022. Nyalo June, hlaka 30 June 2025, litabe liphelile. And that's the other thing that we must learn from China, because China has advanced mega project management expertise. China utiyakutshela athi project nangiyicala nga-day 1 ndayicedza nga-day 25, itabi phelile nga-day 25. So leli bloho leli naliqala kwathiwa litawuphela nga-June 30. They are on track. Nyalo leli bloho is 95% complete. Nakuthi nge June 30 litabe liphelile leli bloho. That's what we want. Taiwan is not assisting us in any of these kind of innovations. So why are we stuck with Taiwan? These are the questions. And so ngiyabekisa ke ngaleli bloho nje into le very recent. But we can go to the Belt and Road Initiative, the BRI, which was launched in 2013, which deals with global infrastructure and trade. Lefake emave lang 150 la mhlabeni. China le. Nala Africa, kunema ports, kunema either dry ports or wet ports, la kwenza khona le Belt and Road Initiative. Kunemigwaqo, major railways, bullet trains, lafakwa kulamanye emave, bo Kenya, bo Tanzania, bo Nigeria and other countries. We are busy on the continent, kuyasentshela. Thina silibala kuniketwa i-rice lebuye eTaiwan. And we must accept that. And on top of these physical infrastructure projects that China is supporting to the Belt and Road Initiative, there's digital infrastructure that is being developed, meaning there is also digital know-how that is being transferred to these countries. Our approach to China must not be an approach with a begging bowl. It must be an approach of leveraging expertise and know-how for our country and for our people, bringing high-end technological know-how and jobs to Swaziland. China, over and above the Belt and Road Initiative, has high-speed rail network that it is doing all over the world. In fact, it is the largest and most advanced rail network, which is over 40,000 kilometers of track that connects Emadolo. This is basic development science, even in fact military science. If you have functioning roads that connect different parts of a country, militarily, the logistics of war are at your favor if you have those in place. But in terms of the economy, it's even better. Imagine kunemigwaqo leSwatini lonke lelive imigwaqo itharishiwe. Ncane lelivele lafanele ngabe since independence esayitharisha yonke imigwaqo. Sesikhuluma ngeke sifake ama-feeder roads la emitini nakhona kutharishiwe. Thine sitharisha imigwaqo leya kumapalace amSwati. Lela kunale sive khona sisukele 949 labathi ilokhuzana. Yini into le nonsense laba ifaka bona sengikhohlwa igama layo. Nakulabathi pro-base. Sisukela i-pro-base thine. Sifaka i-pro-base la emigwaqweni. La kuhlala lamaswati khona. le la kuhlala Mswati khona kufakwa lesikondiyela mbanga, la kuhlala nine khona Maswati kufakwa nayinto lecacabuka onke malanga. Kusho ukuthi nje iProbase nasingabekisa ngayo ifana nempahla tasePep lokho akadzeni, ngoba nePep nyalo seyaba nato impahla letihle. Ngibekisa ke ngale Pep yakadzeni Maswati, le impahla yakhona boyiwasha kanye, uthi ungayiwasha kanye uyibone seyiphuma umbala wonke uvela ugqwale landishini. And leto tintfo leto by the way tatibuye eShayina, iShayina isafunza. Timoto tekucala letaqhamuka eShayina sasitihleka. Ngiyakhumbula nga-2003 naba introduce i-GWM sasiyibita ngeGwimi nabojili. Leti moto leto tati uthi noma uhamba la khathi uve ngathi takudibha phansi. And some of those brands actually died. But look at Chinese cars today. So they started somewhere. They built the know-how. They perfected the know-how. Look at where they are today. Today iyakhala iMelika ifake ama-tariffs atithengiswa leti moto leti taseShayina eMelika. Because yesaba iMelika kusina ungafaka tona angacollapsa Tesla, angacollapsa Ford, angacollapsa Cadillac. Because these Chinese cars, the Americans want them. They are beautiful cars. They have the best technology. And the technology comes standard. Kuleti moto tase-Europe naseMelika nawufuna ama-technologies leyo thithi ubhadala more. Leyo tase-China tita nali technology but affordable. You can get a very good high-end car about 200,000 here in South Africa. Botigo, all these brands, Suzuki and others. Of course, Suzuki is a Japanese brand, but begisa. So, and I'm saying, Maswati, it's know-how, right? And I'm saying, those are the things we should be aiming to leverage from countries like China. China has also urbanized and built smart cities. Smart city longaskhomba nje Swatini, this one is a smart city. Sibhizi nyalo sisukelene nekufaka emakhamera lamadolobheni, emadolobha lafabakile lana ema-potholes la phasi, yonke into ibheke phasi. Hayi khona Maswati, we're on the wrong track. We're on the wrong track. We need to sit down as our country and rebuild our country based on a new vision that is anchored and centered on our people. Umnyaka lo weliswati kufuneka ukuthi sibe nahulumende wemaswati lotawenda letintfo ngendlela emaswati. Njengoba ngibekisa njengalento ye-Probase. Lento ye-Probase lena Maswati ngumsangano lengingazange sengiwubona. Because lento nakufika timvula kuyatacabuka. I-Probase now uyifakile ifana nePEM, umuhle ngaleli langa uye esaluni. Ngakusasa uyafutha uqhubeke kube muhle. Tawuthi kuphela liviki tabe inyanyeka lePEM. I-Probase ke leyo. Into lengenamsebenzi. And lesizathu lesibanga ukuthi sifakelwe le-Probase ukuthi labantu labalapha kuhulumende babona ukuthi la singadla ngalento ye-Probase ngoba itawulibala kucacabuka sonke isikhathi silibale kubhimbizela yona. Kanti nabakha ngesikondiyela bayakha bendlule bayathi isikondiyela siyamlasta now simaintaina kahle singamlasta na 15 years i-life yaso lesikondiyela nangabe usimaintaina kahle futhi nangabe sakhiwe kahle. But i-Probase ayilasi ngisho umnyaka, i-dependent and siyathi kunetimvula nakuthi atimvula iyabhidlika i-Probase. Hulumende wetinkundla uyayivumisa uthi i-development leyo. Hulumende waSimohlwane uthi asemukele lokho thina. As a result, siyite ma-smart cities, siyite nje, you don't have a smart country. Ngeke ngasho kanye ilanga ngathi kwaba nenvotsa la kuthiwa ngu-Titus Thwala. Titus Thwala abe ngabantu bakaZombodze emuva athi uzabenzela izinto ezismart. Yena njenga-MP zonke izinto zizawuba smart. Weta wayenga abantu ngale slogan leso ngoba kukhona kwemaswati lokuchamuka nje kuniyenge. Wadla Titus lapha etinkundleni, wadla wesutha ngiyabona nanyalo tinfo latakha emabhizinisi nakonke lo ngale slogan nje uzoza yena nezinto ezismart. There's now kaZombodze namhla there's nothing smart about Zombodze emuva. But kwaye ngwalamaswati kwathiwa kunezinto ezismart. So siyaqhubeka sibuka ama-mega projects lenziwa yi-China. Tech and innovation. China is now beginning to lead the world in AI, artificial intelligence, in quantum computing, in green energy, njengoba sengishilo before, ma-semiconductors, and a little bit of chips technology. It's not leading in chip technology, but it's coming up. Kunema-firms lamakhulu, bo Huawei, bo Alibaba, bo Tencent, bo BYD. BYD even produces some of the best cars, both luxury cars and common industrial use car vehicles. China has a massive space program. Thina singabhutha nje thina singake sifike ku space silivela kangwane sisaqhubeka sinakane nabo sibohlwana ngeke. So ngifuna ke Maswati ukuthi ngiphethe lento ngekuthi kuclear ukuthi there is no argument ngalenzabe ukuthi sidinga kuba nebudlelwane neChina. And having a relationship with China doesn't mean abandoning our relationship with the United States. No, it just means that we must be pragmatic as a country and adopt a relationship that is going to be beneficial to our people and is going to spur us ahead in terms of our sustainable development models or aspirations. Ngifuna ngenyalo ukuthi Maswati sesike sibuke nje sesiphetha kwekuthi la Africa yendeni China. Sisho lani lokuthi sisalela ngaphandle. So nasibuka nje a summary in terms of scale and growth. Kusukela le muva bo 2000 nase iqala iChina ngathi iya emerge as a global economic superpower. China has become the largest trading partner for the African continent. The trade volume as of 2022 between China and Africa has reached 250 billion. This is the trade volume. The FDI stock, La Africa and China, has surpassed 45 billion. Right? And Dinvo let Maswati lesikhuluma ngato were not sucking. These things are part of a broad initiative by China in partnership with governments on the African continent to bring top-notch infrastructure to the continent, to bring jobs for our people, to open up trade and supply chains and for our people, and make sure there is a long-term development gain that we can have Africans from China. Right? And umbuto ke uthi sisalelelani ngaphandle thina kulenvo le. Maswati. Sisalelelani ngaphandle from these development opportunities. Why? And ngifuna kubekisa ukuthi just recently Chinese companies announced 112 billion in greenfield foreign direct investment across the African continent. And iSwaziland ayikho kuleto mali le. Kunema annual FDI inflows later like the continent lesingekho part of them thina. And umbuto uthileni mbamba. Kulomnyaka lophelile President Xi Jinping in the Africa-China Summit announced 51 billion as a support package. Not just the trading and the other investments that are being done. 51 billion as financial support for African countries for the next 3 years. I-support lena Maswati letawusita kwakheni imigwaqo, kwakha tikolwa, kwakha tibhedlela, kwakha emadamu, kwenta tonke letinto leti eveni lakithi. Asikho thina kulo 51 billion. lo tabudliwa ngilabanye emavela ngi-53 lala kule continent. Masingathi siyabuta ukuthi usinikete malini Taiwan. How much has Taiwan given us? It pales in comparison to what China is giving. And ngifuna-ke kugcizelela Maswati sengicetha lokho ukuthi we are not saying asisho Maswati ukuthi iShayina itawuba nguNkulunkulu wethu. Ukuthi vele nase sinebudlelwane nayo awuvele sesifike etitaladini teligolide. Asisho njalo Maswati. I-relationship yonke lesinayo nalamanye amazwe kuya ngebaholi bethu ukuthi leyo relationship bayisebenzisa njani ngendlela letawenda ukuthi live lithuthuke. And our argument is that there will be ways in which we can leverage a Swazi or a Sino-Swazi, a China-Swazi relationship in ways that benefit both countries. Siyati kusakhona ama-arguments about the colonization of the African continent. China has never colonized any other country in the world. But akhona ama-arguments that no, they are colonizing us now using their economic power. Now, there are a lot of discussions that we can have about that discourse. But on the flip side, we must also say, how is it that we are not able to leverage correctly what China represents and what China can give and take? Because at the end of the day, what China says is we must have a win-win relationship. China wins, Africa wins. China wins, Swaziland wins. That is what we want. So everything, the devil, the taste of the pudding is in its eating. So the devil will be in the details. How do we structure a bilateral relationship with China that is beneficial to our economic interests as a country? So we must approach China not with the view to extract benevolence from them. We must approach China with the view to partner with them in ways that make meaningful impact in lifting our people out of poverty and giving them opportunities in the economic sphere to have the best lives that they can have. Basekhona la emhlabeni. So budlelwane bethu nelivela seShayina Maswati kufuna ukuthi kube budlelwane lobutawenda kwekuthi eMaswati abe nemathuba emisebenti, abe nemathuba ekuye ufunze eShayina, abe nemathuba ekufunza buciko lobusetulu lobutawenda kwekuthi nathi sakhe yethu imisebenti even lesiyawube sesiyayisebenzisa kukhicita tinto lesiyawutithengisela lamanye amazwe letendiwe kulela kithi live la kaNgwane. And letinto leti akusito nje kuphela tinto lesingathi ngema-manufactured goods kuphela. Sisho netinto leti digital naleti virtual nema-startups langa-creatwa ngeMaswati. Kube nje kuthiwa le Royal Science and Technology Park is a hub of technological innovation. That is what we want. Kuke kwaba neliphupho before lengilisekela kakhulu angikuphinze lokho ngake ngakusho Maswati nangalesinye isikhathi ukuthi lendzaba yekulandza lolwandle le eMaputo noma ke eMozambique noma kungasasiye eMozambique la kudutane nakhona nakaloMahasha liyadzinga lwandle kulandva kwakhiwa icanal kusuke leMozambique lungeni laSwatini liphindze liphume libuye leSouth Africa lekubojozini nabo Richards Bay. And that's a massive infrastructure project that we know wekuthi China can help us do. Banga bethu bathi nabakhula bakhanze ukuthi nathi lwandle seluyefika eSwatini. And lungafika vele. It was a good vision lento ya Moses Motha ukuthi alulandwe lolwandle. ngoba singalandza lolwandle sesiyathi ukuthi oh mangabe kunetinkinga eDurban kunetinkinga eRichards Bay njengoba sike sabona nje kuba netinkinga eMozambique ngesikhathi kunebugudlugudlu eMozambique siyathi ukuthi imikhumbi itawugega ingene la eSwatini thathe timpahla ithambise ikutise kulamanye emave. So we are creating opportunities for our country. I-project lenjengalena China can do it within 5 years ayicethe with us. So suddenly, instead of us as a country having dry ports, we now suddenly have our own artificial port. So we need to revive the studies around the environmental impact assessment, around the kind of displacement to our ecological systems and other considerations along le route leya lesuka eMozambique ite kaNgwane iphindze iphume ibuyele emuva nalo lwandle. Siyalidzinga lwandle kuthi sibe nalo, because singaze sibe nalo lwandle, then we'll also start expanding, teaching our children marine science, having fisheries. Sesinathi sesingabuya sibe netinhlati tethu kuyadwetshwa lapho yathi nje sinawuphuma ukuthi ne-tourism. Suddenly now you have a huge artificial port and kune beach lapha le artificial uyilethile la even because of this mega project. That's the kind of thinking we want to promote like a visionary perspective eSwatini. Hayi lento yabo Simohlwana maso. Kuthi eliswati lelidla Simohlwana. Kuthi eliswati leliyawuphunyeleliswa nguSimohlwana. Kuthi eliswati leliyawuba nempilo lemnanzi ngaSimohlwana. We must ditch this Simohlwana mentality and nonsense yakangwane lebambelele leli. Sisho njalo ke la visionary perspectives eSwatini maswati sesicetha lenzaba siphindze sicolise ke lokho ukuthi asikakhona ukuthi sibe nemhleli namhla kodwa kunengi lesingakhuluma maswati ngalo live leShayina sitawuphindze mhlawumbe sibe nalo lithuba nasabuyile umhleli ukuthi sesike sihlatiye singene sijule nakuletinye tinto lesingakade khulumisi la elihlelweni namhla ngoba akusiko konke lesingakhona ukuthi sikhulumise ngelanga li. Kodwa lokhu lesesikhulumisile maswati sithemba ukuthi nini emakhaya nitakulalela nikulalelisise nikuve bese siyakwenda lento ukuze kutewuphila live lakithi. Side maswati lake amlamahle lelinye live maswati akithi linye live lesinalo ufuna ukuthi siliphathe ngendlela siphinde silichube ngendlela leyawenda ukuthi labo labete emva kwethu bakhanze live leliphilako maswati hayi live lelifile lokhu lokuthiwa intergenerational justice and equity. This is what we must have in mind. Sisasebenta lelive. Sesiyaphetha ke maswati ngifuna ukuthi nginikhumbude ukuthi niphindze nithinze lona likinobho lekushelelisa nekuhambisa lenkulumo yanamhla phecelezi Shepherd ukuze ukuthi le nkulumo lebesiyikhuluma namhla la ifike emaswatini lamanengi ngebunengi bawo. Ngifuna nje kugcina ngekuthi ngithi maswati, let us not be afraid to be bold as a nation. Let us not be encumbered and tied down by countries like America who are in the decline. Let us embrace both America and China. And there's nothing wrong with that. Like I have already said, it should not be a binary. It's not either or. So those who come to us and approach us from a perspective or from an argument that says it's either we go to them or we go to China, that is diplomacy at a gunpoint. And I don't believe, Goguti, we've studied public administration so that someone can place a gun on our heads and take our ability to think. We will think independently and will propose the kind of radical propositions that are needed to fast track the development of our beautiful country. Sifuna ke kugcina lapho Maswati namhla sethemba ukuthi leti nkulumo lebesinato tiyawunisita nani ukuthi nichubeke nato leti ngxoxo leti tingagcini la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini. Nathi niyawusibhalela Maswati njengoba nihlale nenda uma ngabe kukhona le nifuna ukukubuta nikucacise, kodwa thina sitawube ngiloku sibuya la siyikhuluma indzabe ukuthi asifuni siyayibonga le rice yase Taiwan. We want a development paradigm that is going to be anchored on the progress, the marching forward of our people in unity, on the promise of a development that the people can feel, a development that will deliver wealth to them, prosperity to them, and a happy life on this earth. Sithi ke nasesiphetha la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini sithi the struggle continues, the struggle never sleeps. Sithi Maswati lamahle alutha continua. Sithemba ke ukuthi liviki lelisombulukako liyawuba lihle kinonke. Sethembe kuthi naye umhleli khona ngeshare kulase Beijing lapha eShayina la khona manje uphilile umlangeni utawubuya netinto letiyawujabulisa cishe eMaswati. Sibonga nje kakhulu ukuthi kuleti nkulumo lanato le siyamuvwa ukhulumela wona eMaswati isivila khuluma indzaba yakalavumisi. Sethemba ukuthi kusakhulunyiswana tiyawuba khona tinto letiyawutholakala tethi tiwasite eMaswati eve kuseMaswati la ngaphandle kwalelive awakhathalele kulomnyaka weliswati sisakhulumisa indzabe ukuthi lisentshetwa njani live kulungiswa Maswati ngoba lelive leli lifuna kulamba. Lelive lakithi lifana nelive lelathetshulwa. Uyabona kuthiwa wathetshulwa ya unguka nalenhloko kube ngathi awucabanga kahle ngoba wathetshulwa wayufaka kwesigujini kumbe esigujini senyanga thini noma kumbe wayolahlelwa lathetshulwa lelive lidzinga kulamba le kulabantu laba sitshela ukuthi bangemakhosi abo alobona funa silalele bona lelive leli libheke phansi sibinze nje kube enough lokho. No, we're not going to do that, Maswati. We need to make sure that we very soon begin to mount the project of freeing our people from this bondage nekugcilateka lokulisendiwa ngilombuso wakaDlamini loholwa uMswati wesithathu. Sithi ke Maswati ngathi liviki lelisombulukako lingaba lihle nilale kahle khona emakhaya. Thina la ka Visionary Perspectives eSwatini siyanithanza. Sitawunikhululela ke le audio channel ukuze nilokhona kulalela lihlelo ukuthi belithini namhla la nilale kahle. Siyabonga kakhulu Maswati akithi.